Brick and its characteristics, Part 1. In this video, we will learn what are bricks, where are bricks used, how bricks are measured, how many edges and faces are there in a brick, and where and how bricks are made.
I want to eat something, but we just had our lunch. Not food. I want to eat an ice cream or something spicy like a samosa. Yes, it's too hot today. I can eat an ice cream with you, but where to get it in school? I wish the canteen is built soon so we could get to eat an ice cream and samosas in school itself. The canteen is getting built since so many days now. It should have been completed by now. Let's go and see. Oh, only this much has been built? I don't know how much more time it's going to take. What are they using to build this canteen? What is this red object?
This red object is called a brick.
What is a brick and why are you using it to build a wall?
This red color small box-shaped object you are looking at is called a brick. Brick is a small rectangular box-shaped object which is made by baking the clay.
So are the walls of our school also made of bricks?
Yes, and not just this school. Your home, all the buildings in this city, bridges are all made of bricks. Bricks are used in almost every construction work.
Wow, this brick is a wonderful object. But where does this come from?
Bricks are made with clay and they are made in a furnace.
With clay? Can you please explain it in detail?
Okay. Clay is used to make bricks. Water is added to soil and a dough is made like what your mom makes for chapatis. Then it is put in a mold to give it the shape of a brick. The brick is then taken out of the mold and is baked in the furnace until it gets hard and strong. You must have seen the furnace at many places. This is how bricks are made. Have you understood?
Now we have understood. But here all the bricks are of the same shape. Are all bricks of the same rectangle shape?
Yes, all the bricks are of this shape, a rectangular box. In mathematics, this shape is called a cuboid.
This brick has so many faces. Can we count them?
Yes, every brick has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now, can you count the edges of this brick?
It has 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There is one point to be noted about the faces and edges. What? Did you notice all the faces and edges are straight? Yes, you are right. But are all bricks this small?
To measure a brick, we measure its length, breadth and height. The length of this brick is 21 cm, breadth is 10 cm and height is 8 cm. You can find bricks of different sizes, but for our construction, we are currently using bricks of this measurement.
So where can we see bricks of different sizes?
To know that, you will have to look for very old buildings. In those days, floors and ceilings were also made with bricks. If you look at them, you will know the importance of bricks. If you want, I will bring bricks of different sizes tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Please bring bricks of different sizes tomorrow. We want to see them. Thank you for giving us so much information about bricks, sir. Our class is about to start. We will have to go now.
Okay, if you want to know more about bricks, let me know.
Neha, did you remember what engineer sir told us? Yes. Let me summarize the information we gathered on bricks today. A brick is like a small rectangular box which is made by baking the clay. A brick is used in building houses, bridges, and all other types of constructions. Shape of the brick is cuboid. The size of a brick is determined by measuring its length, breadth, and height. A brick has 12 edges. A brick has 6 faces. Bricks are baked in furnace. I am waiting for tomorrow because engineer sir will get different sizes of bricks to show us. Me too.
Brick and its characteristics, Part 2.
I just can't wait to see the bricks. Me too. Engineer sir, we are here.
You both look very excited.
Yes, sir. Did you bring different sizes of bricks for us to see?
Yes, I brought them.
Please show it to us, sir. We can't wait anymore.
I will give it to you. But before that, let's recall what I told you last time.
Sir, last time you told us brick is a small rectangular box which is made by baking the clay. Brick is used in building houses, bridges, or all other types of constructions. Shape of brick is cuboid. Length, width, and height are used to measure a brick. A brick has 12 edges. A brick has 6 faces. Furnace is used to bake the bricks.
Very good. You remember everything. Come with me. I will show you. The bricks I bought for you are kept there. You take a look at the bricks and let me look around the canteen. If you have any questions, you can come and ask me.
Okay, sir. Wow, these bricks are of different shapes. No, they are all of the same shape, cuboid. But their sizes are different. Why not we measure the size of all the bricks? Okay, but I have a question. What are we going to measure in these bricks? That's so simple. We will measure the length, width, and the height of these bricks. These 3 measurements determine the size of a brick. Okay, let's measure them. First, let's measure the length of this brick. The length of this brick is 21 centimeter. The breadth is 10 centimeter and the height is 8 centimeter. Now let's measure this one. The length of this brick is 25 centimeter. The breadth of this brick is 10 centimeter and the height is also 10 centimeter. This brick is 15 centimeter long. Its breadth is also 15 centimeter, which is same as its length, and the height is 5 centimeter. This brick is 20 centimeter long. Its breadth is also 20 centimeter and the height is 5 centimeter. This brick is the longest of all. Its length is 30 centimeter. Its breadth is 13 centimeter and its height is 5 centimeter. After we have measured the length, breadth and height of all these bricks, we can easily tell the difference between them. If we get all these bricks, it would be so much fun. We could have built so many things. You know, I have similar toy bricks which we can play with and build so many things. Really? I have never seen them. You have seen them and played with them as well. I never knew why we call them bricks. But after getting to know so much about bricks, I now understand why. I still don't understand. I'll come to your place in the evening and then show me your toys, okay? For sure. I was waiting for you. I have taken out my toys. See, these ones. Oh, these toys. Yes, I have played with these ones. These are also just like bricks, but toy bricks. We can build anything with these. Come, let's make something together with these bricks.
Brick and its characteristics. Part 3.
Vandana, let's go and see how much of our canteen has been built. Let's go. We will meet engineer sir as well. See, Vandana, there are some other shapes of bricks here. This one is triangle in shape. And look here, this one has a round bottom. I don't understand this. Engineer sir told us bricks are cuboid in shape. Then why are these of different shapes?
These bricks were also of cuboid shape, but we needed a different shape, so we cut them according to our need. That is why you can see some of the bricks are of triangle shape and some of the bricks are round shape.
Does that mean we can cut bricks in the shapes we want?
Yes, to make most of the patterns, bricks are cut into different shapes. Since all the bricks are of same shape, that's why it is difficult to make different patterns and designs.
Is it easy to cut the bricks?
Yes, it is not that difficult to cut the bricks, and they can be easily cut without any machine. Because of this characteristics of bricks, they are used in almost every construction.
That means bricks are only available in cuboid shape.
Yes,
Sir, I have a question too.
yes,
Sir, you told us that our house is made up of bricks. But I can't see bricks anywhere in the house. So does that mean my house is built of some other material and not of bricks?
no, it's not like that. Your house is also made up of bricks. But you can't see it because after constructing the wall from the bricks, the brick wall is covered with plaster. This gives the wall more strength and it lasts for many years.
Does that mean the walls of my house are plastered?
Yes, and they are painted too, and this is done to make them even more beautiful.
Yes, sir. The walls of our house are of pink color. Sir, can you please answer one last question?
Why last? Ask as many questions as you wish. Unless you ask many questions, you will not learn anything. Ask your question.
Sir, my question is, when is color added in the process of making bricks?
Which color?
Red color? See, all the bricks are in red color. But you told us that bricks are made of clay. So, their color should be like that of clay.
I told you that bricks are made by baking the clay. The same way how earthen pots are made. Both of you must have seen an earthen pot. Now tell me, what is the color of the earthen pot?
Sir, red color.
When clay is dried, its color changes to red. That is why all clay utensils are of red color. And so are bricks of red color. No color is added in the process of making bricks.
Now I understand. And I was thinking why they don't make colorful bricks. We have to go now, sir. Our class is about to start.
Sure, but first let's recall what you have learned today.
All the bricks are in the shape of cuboid, which can be cut according to our needs. That is why we see bricks of other shapes like triangles, and some may have curved sides. After building a brick wall, the wall is plastered to give it strength. No color is added in the process of making the bricks. The bricks are red because they are baked in the furnace.
Very good, Neha and Vandana. Now I think both of you know everything about bricks.